reach in with a flat tip screwdriver and try to put enough friction to hold the acorn nut while you break it loose. Sometimes it goes easy, sometimes it goes really hard. On the ones where the nut is holding, I'm just going to loosen it up and set these to the side so I can install them on the sculpture. That way it goes a lot easier. The way I've been doing these is I'm going to come in with a screwdriver or a scratch awl. Sometimes you got to make a little room. Start getting a spot opened up. I've twisted all these different ways, that way they lock in together. Try to keep them from twisting. I learned a lot as I went on this. I've never done it before. So I'll make another video to show exactly what I learned, how I would do it differently next time at the very end. Actually, there's a lot of stuff on this I do completely differently. There we go. Then I come in, find the spacing I want. That way it looks good. And then I start twisting it around, trying to lock it in as tight as possible. Find little grooves for it to slip into. I'm gonna come back with channel locks when this is done and sandwich everything together. And I try to end it in a small bare spot to fill in. And come in with the ones that the nut actually held from the shellac and maybe the way I crimped it. Do these in place. I would also probably start adding super glue to these as I'm threading them on if I had to do all over again. A lot of them are loosening up. Yeah, like that. I gotta come back and constantly retighten. But it'll be fine at the end. At the very end, I'll space them where I want them. I got enough room to make them wiggle around, do what I want to do. New videos are going to be posted every week on Wednesdays, 10 a.m.